Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-join rallies on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and if you're playing for the first time, complete through the basic tutorial levels or log into your existing old account. Once this is done, you will gain access to your kingdom. Now, in order to join any rally, you will first need to join a guild. You will be prompted to join a guild right after you finish the tutorial and establish your infrastructures. If you don't get this prompt, then you can still tap on the gear icon at the bottom section and then tap on search and recommend. Then tap on the guild option, and now you will be able to find various different guilds that you can join. Just tap on the join button to join any guild. And once you have joined a guild, you can simply tap on the guild menu at the bottom section. After tapping on this, tap on the rally battle option, and now you will have the option to join your rally if there are any ongoing battles. You can also tap on the gear icon at the top section, and you will now be able to auto join any rally if it happens to occur. You can set your time interval within which you would like to join rallies automatically, and then tap on the activate button. Once you tap on this, anytime a rally is available, you will automatically be added into this rally if it is within the time frame that you have mentioned. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to auto join a rally on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.